We have next example. Find the coordinates of a midpoint of a segment with a given endpoints. We have endpoints x and z. We can draw xy plane. And we will find our 2 points. We have x, 4, 7. X is always first coordinate because we have 2 points, so I will put this as x1, y1, x2, y2. And our first point is 4, 7. So let's choose small unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And of course, x is equal 4, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and y is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our point x is here, and we have point z. First, x coordinate is -8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have -5. So -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our z. We need to find midpoint, coordinates of a midpoint. It's approximately here is our M. We have formula for the midpoint. Let me remind you, when we have 2 points, we have to find the coordinates of the midpoint of a segment. We have formula M is equal average of the x coordinates and of the y coordinates of the endpoints. So we have xy plus x2 over 2, and the second coordinates is y1 plus y2 over 2. x1 is first coordinate of our x point, x2 is first coordinate of our z point, y1 is second coordinate of our x point, and y2 is second coordinate of our z point. So this is equal, x1 is 4, we have plus, x2 is -8 over 2, and second coordinate is y1 is 7 plus y2 is -5 over 2. So this is equal 4 plus -8 we have, so will be -4 over 2, and we have 7 plus -5, so this is 2 over 2. So this is equal, first coordinate is -4 over 2, so this is -2, and the second is 2 over 2, so this is 1. So this is our midpoint. So this is my solution.